the John Wick skin in Fortnite. I was so excited to finally draw this. So if you guys are new to the channel, the name of my channel is TamashaBera, and I welcome everybody. So if you guys are new here, guys, go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we are going to be out here with like daily videos, and you guys are going to enjoy it. So make sure you guys turn on the notification bell as well when you guys are subscribing, and make sure you guys drop a like. That would highly be appreciated, guys. And now finally, we're gonna have like in two different steps to this whole video. The first one is going to be a pencil sketch. It's going to be a very fast, rough sketch to show you guys like the basic model of the John Wick, how he's actually gonna look like. And after the fast forward process is over, I'm actually going to teach you guys how to draw the John Wick step-by-step process to make it a very easy task for you guys. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. After you guys watch this video, make sure guys you watch this video till the end. Get a piece of paper and a piece of, like get an eraser or something, okay? And I'm gonna tell you guys, if you guys don't know how to draw, I'm gonna help you guys out here today. Doesn't matter if you guys cannot draw, if you guys are not good at it, it doesn't matter. At the end, you guys will be able to draw it. So right now, what I just did with my pencil, I'm gonna erase it lightly so that I can show you guys like how to do the John Wick skin properly and in a very slow way by using the marker. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase everything so that I can give you guys the idea. So to start out with, we are going to start with this head first. So we are gonna make a small curve. So making the John Wick, it's mostly gonna be based off curves and straight lines. See, a very like simple. It looks like a bird, doesn't it? So we start with his hair. So you guys don't use a marker, okay? You guys can actually use a pencil. That would really be nice, so that if you go wrong, you guys can always go back and erase it. And then we make another curved line on both the edges, okay? The one which looks like an S, and the other one is more like an inverted S. All right, simple and easy. And now the pencil drawing was there earlier that I did in a very fast forward process, and I don't want you guys to go through it. My job is to teach you guys in a very step-by-step tutorial to make it easy for you guys. So right now, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna give an outline to the face, how it's actually gonna look like. So make another parallel line to the one that we have with the hair to give the edge of the face, all right? And then on the other side, you guys go ahead and make another parallel line. Now, guys, let me tell you guys, if you guys have reached till this part of the video, if you guys are still thinking like, can I do this, can I not do this? Let me tell you guys, okay, I was never good at drawing, but here I am drawing, and I really love drawing. So if you guys want to learn, all you need is just a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser, and you're good to go. Well, if you guys have colors, I mean, that's awesome. And what better way would it be to give like some sort of card, a Fortnite card, to your friend who also plays Fortnite? So we have like many drawings here in the channel when it's regarding Fortnite, and you guys should definitely check it out. We have like so many skins in the channel that we have done a drawing of, so you guys can actually go over there and check it for yourself. That would really be awesome. So over here we are going to make the neck, so like two straight lines like this, okay? Now this will give us the structure of the hair. So don't get confused, it's just straight lines and curved lines, one after the other, okay? We extend this over here just to make the hair. That's how we will be completing the hair. So we're gonna go ahead and make a line right over there. It's a step-by-step tutorial, guys. Okay, it's a step-by-step tutorial. You guys can always go back, use your eraser if you guys have made anything wrong. And the best part is, you guys can pause the video at any time. So that is the best part. And right over here, we make a straight line right over here, and a little bit curved this time, to give the effect of the collar of the main shirt that he's wearing underneath that amazing suit. And over here, we're gonna make his long hair. Curved lines, 1, 2, and 3. 3 curved lines to make his hair look long, okay? Now remember, guys, you guys can actually, like, if you guys are drawing or something, you guys can actually send it to my social media, which you guys can see on the screen. You guys can actually like draw and send it to me, and I will do my best to feature it, or probably like give it a heart or something, like over my social media or even my YouTube videos. So yeah, if you guys want to draw, if you guys want to send me something, use the social media, that would just really be awesome. So yeah, And right now we are going to make a curved line that looks like an S, and this one is actually going to be like somewhat like an S, but we are giving some structure to this one. Okay, curve, straight line, and this is the main suit. So we're gonna go ahead and complete the tie. So we make 2 straight lines from here, okay, and then we join it in the middle by making a curved line, and then we are gonna go ahead and we are gonna make the tie. That's right. I'm drawing this over my pencil drawing. If you guys have missed it, like, that's the reason you should never skip the videos. It's very important if you guys want to, like, you know, learn to draw. So you make the tie like that. Very easy and simple. You guys can make the tie straight if you want. I just made it, you know, a little bit curvy to give the effect that he's like in a really angry mood. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead with the rest of the drawing by making his amazing suit slash, you know, tuxedo. So we're gonna make the jacket a big curved line, okay, a big curved line, okay, and the same goes with the other side, which will be parallel to the first curved line that we just did right now. Okay, it should be parallel. If you guys can see, there are 4 lines, 2 lines of the tie and 2 lines of the tuxedo, and over there we join these 2 lines by making a big curve, and we are going to do the same over there and by making another curve and joining it right down there. It's not important that it should be, you know, like in the same section, or it should like in a coincide, but whatever. Now we're gonna go ahead and make his jacket. All right, so our suit, I mean, whatever you guys call it. So if you guys want to make his, you know, shoulders a little bit broader, you guys can go ahead and actually do that. But if you want him like to look like very thin, like you don't have to make the shoulders bigger. So I'm gonna make the shoulders a little bit big, and then we're gonna make a big curve to make his shoulders and his upper arms. So we are gonna do the same on the other side, but this one is going to be a little bit torn because Mr. John Wick has been fighting a lot in Fortnite. And if you guys remember, John Wick actually has 2 different styles in the game. So we are actually drawing the main damage, which is I think this is skin style number 2 for John Wick. So yeah, we are gonna go ahead and make his arm like 2 curved lines right over here, okay, and then another curved line right over there. As you guys can see, it looks like an S, and we make another line right over here, okay, and then we join it. Now we also have tutorials on how, if you guys want to draw his legs and, you know, fingers or whatever, we have all those tutorials here on the channel. From here, you guys make a big curve. All right, you guys actually see this, like the John Wick is actually looking really good from here, from my perspective. So now we're gonna make the other side of the jacket, which is actually torn. So we made the edge, which looks a little bit torn after, you know, fighting with all the bad enemies. So we go ahead, make a big curve for his arm, and then we make another curve right over there, like, you know, at his jacket, and we make the rest of the arm like that by making another curve and another curve on the other side. Guys, use my supporter creator code TamashaBera in the Fortnite item shop. That would always be appreciated, guys. Go ahead and use it. You know, that would really support me and the channel. So if you guys are facing any difficulties, use the comment section down below and tell me, guys, what is the difficult part for you guys here in this video. Like, are you guys finding it difficult to make the tie? Are you guys finding it difficult to make the hair? Are you guys finding it difficult to make the face? Well, use the comment section down below and I will be more than happy to help you guys out in a personal way. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a pen right now. As you guys can see, I'm gonna, use a pen to make the intricate details, of the hair and his face and everything. I mean, if I have time, I would like actually use paint, get black paint and paint all over his suit. But right now, I'm just gonna go through the basic illustration and not get into like much detail with John Wick. So I just want to give you a perspective how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna make a little bit of a pen drawing towards the face and the head of John Wick to give you guys like how he's actually gonna look like once you guys are done drawing him. So there's like this big hair which will be falling over his head. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make it a little bit darker so that it actually looks like a hair. Now for this one, I can't use a marker because it's like very intricate stuff, making the eyebrows and the eyes and his whole face. I mean, it's very serious. Like Mr. John Wick, he's not in a happy mood. Mr. John Wick is out for thirst. So I'm gonna go ahead and make his hair, which is actually falling on his face. Now he actually looks really cool now. You guys can actually make him look happy, you know, by giving him a smile. And I'm gonna raise the eyebrows a little bit, just like the way he is in the game. Remember guys, if you have like normal eyebrows, that means like, you know, he's in normal mood. If you have like raised eyebrows, that means like he's like, you know, there's something wrong mode. So I'm gonna put that mode in John Wick right now, ladies and gentlemen. And also remember guys, we are making videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? So for the eyes, we are just making a simple curve, okay? A simple curve, and then another curve down right over here. As you guys can see, I did not make his eyes bigger, like not to make him look cute. So I'm gonna make the other eye, which is underneath the hair right there. So it already looks scary, doesn't he, ladies and gentlemen? You guys can actually make his nose bigger, smaller. I'm gonna make his eyes right over here. As you guys can see, it already looks pretty cool from here. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make his nose. You know what? For this John Wick, I'm gonna make his nose a little bit bigger, you know, for the funny memes. But he actually looks awesome, like, you know, with the suit and everything. So 3 curved lines, one in the middle, which looks like a U, and then another curved line right over there. I mean, if you guys want, you can put a mustache on him, like, you know, because that's how he looks. You can make a smile, but I'm gonna make a less serious, less funny face. So I'm gonna, like, you know, make his lips or whatever, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make his beard / mustache, what he has right now. You guys can actually use your colors to color and, you know, paint his mustache, you know, make him look even cooler. And remember guys, if you guys have like, you know, a different hair, like if you guys want to use like any blonde or brown facial hair or whatever, like you guys can actually do that to make him look funnier and make him look way cooler, depending on like whatever you guys need. So, and the best part is that you guys can actually make this type of greetings card for your friends for vacation, or like something as a birthday card for your friends. So you guys can actually do this. As you guys can see, it really isn't taking much time. You guys can actually draw this as fast as you guys can, like, you know, maximum 10 minutes. So you guys can actually like have a drawing book, just like the way I have it. And also, like, you know, check out the drawings that I've already done in my channel, so it will really be awesome. You guys can always check it out, you know, like, you know, you guys can draw any skin. I'm gonna be here, like, you know, with more drawings over here. So yeah, make sure you guys stay subscribed and be a part of our channel. If you guys would want, like, you know, more skins, more stuff from the channel in the future, yes, that's right, I will be always there for you guys, and I will be drawing more skins here on this channel. Make sure you guys smash the like button, and yeah, share the word with everyone. Share this video with all your friends on how to do the John Wick skin. You guys can actually, like, you know, have, like, you know, some sort of, like, you know, get together where you guys like draw the John Wick together. You know, send some pictures to me, and, you know, ask me, like, you know, which one's better or whatever. I've got this type of, you know, emails and, you know, like, you know, stuff on my social media, and I always love sharing and giving credit to the people who actually love drawing. So I'm always going to be here teaching you guys how to draw characters, how to draw Fortnite characters, how to draw, like, you know, everything, anything here on this channel, and I'm always gonna help you out. So after, like, you know, a little bit detailing, a little bit of shading, you guys can actually go in even further, start coloring this up. And I have also a product, like, you know, how it's actually gonna look like if you color it up, and, you know, with shades, without shades, black and white or whatever, he will always look cool because he is John Wick. So here is an example how John Wick is gonna look like once you color it. He would really look awesome. Thank you guys for watching today's video.